latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Abhijit Singh Bhamra and today I'll be talking to you about a major blow that has landed to the IPL defending champions Mumbai Indians right before the start of the league. Now, their lead pacer, the strike bowler, one of the legends of the game, Lasith Malinga, will not be a part of the Mumbai Indians league stage. Why is the reason? Well, Lasith Malinga has taken off because due to personal reasons, as his father is ill and in the coming weeks he will undergo surgery, and Lasith Malinga wants to be by his father's side in order to ensure that everything is taken care of, the medical precautions, the medical emergencies in case if there are any. So he has told the Mumbai Indians management that he will not be travelling. Remember, Mumbai Indians has already landed in the UAE and all players are under quarantine period. But that is not the only thing which is stopping Lasith Malinga. Well, it is because of COVID-19 as well. Now, because of COVID-19, the Sri Lankan government has made a rule that any person who is flying from outside to the country will have to undergo a 14-day quarantine period. Now, imagine this. Had Lasith Malinga already travelled to the UAE and then in between he had to travel back to Colombo to meet his father, then what would have happened? He would have missed 2 weeks of quarantine period. Then when he will fly back again to the UAE, he will have to undergo a 6-day quarantine period. That means close to 3 weeks of cricket he will not be able to be a part of Mumbai Indians. So right through the tournament, you know the kind of league this is. Once the team gains momentum, and Mumbai Indians is a side whose game is already based on momentum only. So then what happens? Then the combination of the side takes a dent, and Lasith Malinga is too big a player to not be included in the 11 if he's there in the dugout. So why was the decision taken? In order to ensure that Mumbai Indians doesn't suffer, because Lasith Malinga and Mumbai Indians, well, the connection has been right from the start, from the day one. He has been with Mumbai Indians since 2008 and is the most successful IPL bowler in the history of T20 League cricket. 170 wickets from 122 matches at an economy of over 7 with 19, a strike rate of over 19. Well, these are just phenomenal numbers, and he might be at the end of his career, but in at his peak, well, Lasith Malinga was absolutely unplayable. He was also the Purple Cap winner in 2011, taking 28 wickets from the tournament, and except for the last few seasons, he has been a consistent performer. Remember, Rohit Sharma has been calling him the Mr. IPL because of his contribution to Mumbai Indians cricket team. And over the years, he was made the bowling coach for a season, but then he worked hard and then came back. And what a comeback it was last year when Mumbai Indians was playing Chennai Super Kings in the final. Well, they had only 8 to defend, and what did Malinga do? Malinga gave away only 7, which means by 1 run, Mumbai Indians became the IPL champions for the record 4th time. Well, that's what the great players do. That's what they are made of. Whenever the situation demands them to rise above the ordinary, they do it than the rest of the players. But what now for Mumbai Indians? Well, if Malinga is not present, then most likely Trent Bolt, the new acquired player in the IPL auction by Mumbai Indians, will be stepping in, but fans will surely be missing Lasith Malinga and those Yorkers and the way he used to bowl and of course the slingy action. But then Mumbai Indians will now have to draft a strategy to win without Malinga, at least make it to the playoffs, and then who knows, if everything falls into places, then Malinga might be available for the playoff season knockouts, because experience always come in handy. So what do you think about the video? Do you think that Malinga's absence will hurt Mumbai Indians? Do send in your comments and feedback, and I'll be looking forward to the same. In the meantime, do not forget to subscribe to News 9 Digital across all social media platforms.